Babe, what's the problem?
Some guy is bothering me every day.
What? Someone is bothering you. Take me to him right now. No one is going to bother my sweetheart, my daddy.
He's a Somali.
Did you just say he is a Somali?
Yes. What's wrong?
Somali dad Alan. These guys are crazy. These guys are dangerous.
But it's just one man.
Let me tell you something about the Somalis. You pick up a fight with Mahad, you have to fight with Ali, there's Hassan, Abdi, and then there's Yasir. This one is a different type of crazy. Let me expound more. You see this guy, he beats you while laughing and say, ho baris ka, ho biscuit ka, ho chocolate ka.
Oh, he gives you chocolate.
What chocolate?
But you just said, oh, chocolate car.
Yeah. Tan mahau gursa day.
What does that mean?
Oh, don't worry. It means I am very happy that I married you.
Oh. I think I know where we can beat them.
How?
Somalis love banana. So you can beat one and give the other one banana so that he cannot attack you.
Ah, nice, really?
Yes.
That's great. That's why you're my hu.
What does my who mean?
Hu means beautiful.
And what does handsome mean?
Handsome is ha.
Ha.
Yes, ha.
My ha.
My hu.
My ha.
My ha.
My who.
My hu.
My ha.
Babe, are you sure this is going to work?
Yes, you slap one and give the other one banana.
And you're 100% sure that they're not going to attack me back?
They'll be busy eating the banana.
My hu.
My ha.
My hu.
My ha.
Wish me luck. Mos. Malaiku arkite.
Babe.
I love my love for.
I found out what Somali love. I'm sorry.
If I listen to you, I'm not walling. My hu.
My ha.
My hu.
My ha.
My hu.
My ha. Babe, there they are. You'll go there and then you'll sing the national anthem, okay? Let me hear you sing it.
Somali.
No. It's Somali to soy.
Ah. Okay, it's okay, Duluf.
What does Duluf mean?
Actually, it means you are gorgeous and you are beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So you go there and then you slap them. When you slap them, you sing the national anthem. They won't beat you.
Huh? My hu.
My
Somali to soy,
Babe, come here. Come, quickly, come.
What?
There's the guy that has been bothering me every day. He's the one.
That guy?
Yes.
Him? Today you're going to see why I am your bogor. Somali to soy. Somali to soy. Somaliland. Somaliland why? He is not from Somalia. Sorry. Call PK. Call PK.